Hi viewers, welcome to Display Repair. If you have that annoying wiper chattering when you turn on the wipers, so you turn them on, they chatter, they screech and everything else, there is one simple thing you can do to solve the problem. Lots of people, what they do, they change the wiper blades, buy new ones, and it's exactly the same thing. So the chattering continues. Before we start, make sure to check the condition of the wiper blades on your car. If they are torn, worn out, if they are cracked, none of this will help. You have to buy new wiper blades and then do what we're going to show you. The point of all this is to straighten these wiper arms. So these are the wiper blades and these are the wiper arms. What happens over time with wiper arms? Although this is thick metal, this may happen due to material fatigue, due to some sort of physical damage. This may get twisted. And if the wiper arm gets twisted, then the wiper blade cannot sit properly onto the windshield, and then the wiper blade jumps all over the windshield when it wipes, and also it smears and everything else. Now first, what I would highly recommend is putting either a thicker piece of cardboard like I did here, or to put a towel of some sort. The point is, when you take off the wiper blade and when the wiper arm is without the blade, to avoid accidentally, I'll show you what happens when you take off the wiper blade. As you can see, the wiper arm is left with the bare metal here. And since the wiper arm is held in place by a spring located right here, if you accidentally hit the wiper arm, it may hit the windshield and it may crack it and cause a big problem. For this job, you'll need a crescent wrench, a pair of pliers, and some insulation tape. Also, instead of these pliers, you can use, if you have, one more crescent wrench. The point is to have a good grip and good leverage when doing this. The first thing you should do is take off the wiper blade. We made a separate video on this topic, how to do this. Very simple. On my Skoda, is simply pull the wiper blade out. Now, if you don't care, you can do this without protecting the color on the wiper arm. But if you don't want to scratch it, you can use some insulation tape like this and insulate two parts of the wiper arm like this. This is where the two wrenches will grab the wiper arm. Okay, like this. Grab it here and we'll grab it here. This way you won't scratch the paint. Again, if you don't care, you don't have to do this. I also must mention, I've seen that some people twist just with one wrench. So they catch it in one place here and then they twist this. I would not recommend doing this. If you do this, you will then be in danger of twisting the wiper arm here where it connects to the wiper motor. Twist it right here and you can break it off, okay? Especially with newer cars, these parts can be plastic right here and you can again cause yourself trouble. So if you want to do this, you have to grab it in two places so there is no tension on this part of the wiper arm. What you're supposed to do now is catch this part right here, and again this is why it's important to protect the windshield, and grab this part right here. Okay, so you have two leverage points. We're gonna squeeze this a bit more, and now simply twist a bit like this until it straightens. Okay, twist as much as you have to. The point is to get the wiper blade when you install it to be 90 degrees opposed to the windshield. I would recommend repeating this procedure on both wiper blades. Once you're finished, take off the insulation, return the wiper blade back into place so you can make a check. In this case, you just have to slide the adapter back into place, remove the cardboard, and check the final result. The point of all of this is to, again, make the windshield wiper blade sit on the windshield opposed to the windshield at 90 degrees. Okay, so it sits like a knife on the windshield, and that's a job well done. Of course, it can have a couple of millimeters up and down. That is normal, but this is what it's supposed to look like. So dear viewers, that's it for this time. I hope this video helps. As you've seen, very simple. All you need is a couple of wrenches and some time. Be careful, don't use too much force, okay? If the wiper arms are damaged for some reason or rusty, be careful so you don't break them. Above all, make sure to always protect the windshield and be careful that you don't crack it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your time, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.